Pistol Nation, my friends. Today is the day we are doing the special Hydro Dip video. A brand new, pure all white hat. And then I'm gonna take you back to 2007. And we got the beautiful Nike Air Force Ones. Now I don't even know if I don't think I've ever actually owned a pair of these, which is pretty crazy. But these things are absolutely gorgeous. They even got that, they got that new shoe smell. Beautiful white bottoms, give it a nice look. So what we are going to be doing today is we are going to be going with a special Halloween themed Hydro Dip. Halloween is one of my favorite holidays. Alright, so we have the first shoe taped up with masking tape. So the most important thing is put masking tape pretty much wherever you don't want the paint to go. So we got the swoosh over here, both sides. We got the bottom taped up. I got this part in the middle right here at the front taped up. Now I know it looks like it's a lot, but what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna go with an X-Acto knife, fine cut everything. I'm gonna try something different, and I wanna see if I can keep the Nike Air logo on the back in like that silver white and not get any paint on that. So that's gonna take a while. All right, we have just finished the cutout. Now look how clean that looks. See, so much better. X-Acto knife, clean that cut up. Look at that, beautiful. All right, Pistol Nation, and the last step after we have it all beautifully wrapped up is one of the most important steps is we are going to need nail polish remover. Now you're gonna make sure that it has the, what is it called? Acetone in it. So basically acetone, because that is gonna remove the polish from the shoes, making the paint stick a lot better.
Yeah, I'm all in. Brody on the line, I'm tapping in. God out here pulling the strings for me. A girl on the line, she feeling me. Preoccupied by the motivation. Put in the time, pay the entry fee. Bro on the rise, yeah, he kinda nice. Inside of my mind, no one's real as me. Lately, life has been gorgeous. Wake up to clear, my eyes hit record. Praise up to God, I ain't chasing no bitch. Swinging the mist.
All right, we got this bad boy primed up. PoisonIvy went ham with the damn primer, as you can see. She sprayed the out of it, but that's okay. It's gonna be even more epic. I thought we would try something different, and we're gonna try and hydro dip the shoelaces too. I taped it off so we could do like orange, black, and then white. So we'll see what happens.
Wave. I'm in it for keepsake. In the field with the cleat lace. Beat fruit with the bare face and a slick tongue. That's what she say. She look good. She a big tease when she bite lip with the wink face. Hella bad when she throwing it back. She bring that my way for the team play. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. Where everything I say turn into the real thing. I tell her run it up, cause you know it ain't a thing. We made it out the slums with the words on the page. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. Where everything I'm saying turn into the real thing. I've been living like I'm famous. Like I don't show my face. Unless I'm jumping on the stage. Like I'm living in a daydream. Lost in imagination. She only want me when she fake. She quick to tell me I'm a favorite. She ain't told no lie. She love it when I catch my cadence. She gone off the deep end. Pull up every weekend. I hate to let her down, but I'm in a fast life, so you never slowing me down. Heart rate jumping like you don't sleep well. How you switch up, you always help me down. Wonder why I turn into a cold of me now. It could be worse, right? I got where I'm at without no work-life balance. You tell me that it's love, but I'm knowing that it's malice. Squad with me, God, cut us from the same fabric. No, I really can't complain. Everything is straight. I've been on a wave. Where everything I say turn into the real thing. Tell them run it up, now you know it ain't a thing. We made it out of slums with the
love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. I'm not the same. Thinking money made me change, nothing else to blame. Bougie stuck up in my way, singing Gucci gang. Gucci gang, think I'm Gucci Mane. I'm just playing in the cut, I got my Vans on. I'm not selfish, I get on to put my mans on. Always greedy since the day I got my first safe. 5'7", but I'm 6'8" when I stand on the money pals. Need a money counter, I broke my thumb from thumbing down. Wifey on my line, she told me to dumb it down. Mama on my line, asking how I'm dumbing now. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. Get out my way, I'm so unashamed. Throw it to my veins, like my 2K green or blue, I'm not into games. Focus on your player's face while I'm stacking change. We throw out what you got on your whole crew late. Every time I drop it, knock you make the school face. I can't stand to be around people who are two-faced. I can't stand to do some business if you're too late. I beat the beater defeated, I beat the beater mistreated, I beat the odds deleted. On top, I'm ODing. No rock star with these leather pants, I'm ACDCing. When I die, I bet they love me, but hate me when I'm breathing. I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, it's rubbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'. When I link with ballpoint, you know it's knocking. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex on. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shitty, my bros raw. No breaks, we go. Throw shade, that's a no. Go high, go low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more. Pick it up.
And that, my friends, is the final results. The hat came out really good. The hat came out amazing. We did the RC car. The RC car came out pretty good. It already had film on it, so that's why it looks a lot white. But when the light hits it, that orange and black comes out beautifully. And I decided to do the ramp. I went absolutely like spray paint crazy. I'm like addicted to spray painting things now. As you can see, I did the ramp. We went trick or treat, full on Halloween themed. The shoes, the hat, everything. Now we're gonna do some sweet jumps on this ramp just to end it. And then I might do a whole bunch of videos. I might do like some more in-depth long videos where we're gonna take this ramp and we're gonna take this RC car and we're gonna go jump it over all kinds of things. But I'm gonna just give you a little taste of what's to come.